Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many users face when working with their devices. The problem we'll be addressing involves the unexpected shutdowns that can occur during important tasks or activities. These sudden shutdowns can be frustrating and disruptive, causing potential data loss and interrupting your workflow. So, how can we effectively deal with this issue and prevent it from happening in the future? Let's explore the solution together. In order to address the problem of unexpected shutdowns, one effective solution is to check for any pending updates on your device. Sometimes, outdated software can lead to instability issues, causing the device to suddenly shut down. By ensuring that your operating system and applications are up to date, you can improve the overall performance and stability of your device. This simple step can make a significant difference in preventing unexpected shutdowns and ensuring a smoother user experience. Another solution to consider is monitoring the temperature of your device. Overheating can also be a common cause of unexpected shutdowns, especially in laptops and desktop computers. By keeping an eye on the temperature levels and ensuring proper ventilation, you can prevent your device from overheating and triggering shutdowns. Consider investing in a cooling pad or adjusting the fan settings to help regulate the temperature and avoid any potential issues. In summary, unexpected shutdowns can be a frustrating problem to deal with, but by following these simple solutions, you can effectively prevent them from happening. Remember to keep your software up to date, monitor the temperature of your device, and ensure proper ventilation to maintain a stable and reliable user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech issues you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tech troubleshooting.